Welcome to the part 19 of the Gregg Shorthand course. In this video, we're going to have a look at says, which means that we're going to see how to make some words containing says. Alright, so we will take some words that will contain says in them. So suppose if we have a word here called senses. Alright, so now just look at this part, says. Alright, so whenever we have to write the says, like says or says, like similar sound to the says, so says is made like simply like this. Alright, because there are two ways of making the S character. One is this, another one is this. So we simply add these two, so we get a word like this. So this is how we have to write this says. Alright, whenever a says comes in any word. So suppose if we have this word senses, senses word will be made like this. Right, so this is our first S. Then we have this small circle A vowel, which is very similar to the get. Then we have this final says. So this is senses. Alright, so suppose if we have another word called traces. So now again we have this says. Alright, so traces word will be made like this. Alright, so this is our T. Then we have this A vowel, okay, which is very similar to this one as in came. Then we have this says. Alright, so this is our word traces. Let's take another. Suppose we have a word called basis. Alright, basis. So basis will be made like this. Alright, this is our B. Then we have A vowel, which is a large circle. Then we have this final says. Alright, so it's basis. Next, let's take another, like we have a word called senses. Alright, so senses will be made like this. Alright, so this is our S. Then we have this A vowel, which is similar to this one as in get. Then we have this N, okay, short stroke. Then we finally have this says. So this is our word senses. Alright, so let's take another, like we have a word called analysis. Analysis. So analysis will be made like this. Alright, so this is our, first of all, A, which is A vowel, which is a large circle, which is very similar to this one as in mat. Then we have this short stroke, which is N. Then we again have this large circle, which is similar to the mat, okay, which is similar to the A as in mat. Then we have this a long curve, large curve, which is L. Then we have finally says. Alright, so this is our word analysis. Alright, so this is what this topic is all about. Whenever we have to like make says or anything, we have to make like this, simply like this, right, like this.